everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make the creamy, extremely juicy, delightful chicken breast. This is the best chicken breast recipe I have tasted ever. It will absolutely leave your mouth to say, oh wow. I can't wait to make this delicious recipe for you guys. So let's get started. To make this creamy garlic chicken breast, here I took 4 large chicken breasts. 4 tablespoons of finely chopped onions, 2 tablespoons of finely chopped fresh garlic, 1.5 teaspoons of parsley, 4 slices of lemon, salt according to taste, half a cup of heavy cream, 1 tablespoon of butter, 2 tablespoons of olive oil. So that's all we need. Now I'm going to season all of my chicken pieces simply with the salt and the black pepper. Then I will place my pan on the stove on a high flame. Make sure the pan is so hot. Put 1 tablespoon of butter and 2 tablespoons of olive oil in the pan. Now place all the chicken pieces gently on the pan. Leave it to cook 10 minutes with the lid. After 10 minutes, flip them over and cook for another 10 minutes just to make sure the chicken is done perfectly, cause you don't want to eat the raw chicken as well. The cooking time may vary according to the thickness of your chicken. My chicken breasts are so big, as you can see it, so they took a little bit of longer time to cook properly. Now, place the chicken pieces on another bowl and add your chopped garlic and onions on the same pan. Fry them until it's nice golden brown. At this stage, you can also add any kinds of veggies according to your taste. You can add mushrooms, bell pepper, broccoli, cauliflower, whatever you want. Today I am using just a big jalapeno. Now I am adding 1 teaspoon of parsley. You can use dry parsley or fresh, whatever you have. Or you can use any other kinds of herbs according to your taste. Now adding half a cup of heavy cream, which is already unmixed with a little bit of water, like 2 tablespoons or 3 tablespoons. You can also use milk or chicken broth, anything you want. Now it's time to put your chicken back to the pan. Bring it to a nice boil. So that's it, we're all done. Now you can serve your chicken with a lemon or without a lemon, however you like. So this was our recipe for today. Please let me know if you and your family enjoy this recipe. Thank you for watching. Bye.